Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you guys are new here, welcome, and if you guys haven't already, definitely hit the subscribe button right there, right in the corner, so you can watch my newest and latest videos that I do just for you guys each and every week. And today I wanted to do something very cool, very interesting, very out there, and very drag. So I wanted to do my own take on Valentina's makeup look on the last episode of Rupauls Drag Race All-Stars 4, episode 4, I believe. Yeah, so she did this like no brow green, just really just out there makeup look, which I was so obsessed with. And Valentina is literally my favorite queen on this season, so I really hope she takes the crown. Let me know who you guys think is going to take the crown or is your favorite queen on RuPaul's Drag Race down below. Make sure you guys let me know. Yeah, so if you guys do love this makeup look right here, give this video a thumbs up because I really tried, and I really think this is a really pretty gorgeous look to do. I actually am thinking about doing just recreations of the RuPaul's Drag Race girls, their whole makeup looks, just doing their whole looks and just, you know, stepping out of the box of just staying away from the copper lid and brown smoky eye. I just really can't stand that anymore. It's just like so annoying. So this is just something different, something fun, just something I really love to do. And drag was something I really did a while ago before my transition, before the woman that you see before you today. So yeah, so it was just fun. It just really just took me back to old times, and I'm just glad I did this look. And Valentina, if you see this look, definitely I hope I did it justice. And yeah, so if you guys want to know how to create this look, definitely please keep on watching, you guys. Okay, you guys, so we're just going to take Jeffree Star's Velour Liquid Lipstick in the shade Crocodile Tears, and we are just going to create our cut crease with this. So you guys, with this, don't be afraid. You guys have to work very quick with this because these lipsticks kind of do dry down very quickly. Don't be afraid of this step. Literally, you have to own everything that you do when it's makeup, and especially when you're doing these like drag, like really dramatic looks, because if you don't own it, literally it can go really bad or really good real quick. So yeah, don't be afraid, you guys. Own this, make this your bitch, literally. Remember, you guys, if you guys really want to try to create a look like this and you want that same look, Valentina's face shape isn't like everyone else's. So if you guys don't have her eye shape, you guys have like a monolid, or just your eyes are more wide set, or you know, something that isn't similar to hers, you guys have to know your own face shape, and you guys have to try to work with your shape of your face to kind of mimic hers. You know what I'm saying? So be aware of that, because not just because you're doing the same techniques as her, you might not get the same results. So just be aware of that. So now that we placed that color down, we're going to just blow this out. We're just going to get a fluffy blending brush. Any fluffy blending brush will do. And we're just going to blend out those lines and those harsh lines. Really blow that up to that temple. This is just going to be a base for our color that we place right on top of this. This is just going to intensify the eyeshadows that we put on top of this. So just be aware of that. This is just something that I like to do personally, just to intensify the color. Literally, it might, with drag makeup, it's going to start off crazy, but at the end, you will get a great, wonderful outcome. Just be prepared and stay with the process. It's literally gonna come together when you put your lashes on, and don't be scared. It might look crazy, but it will get there at the end. Okay, so now time to intensify that dark green color, and we're just gonna go in with Jeffree Star's, what is this? The Androgyny palette, and we're gonna take this color right here called Poison, and we are just going to pack that right on top of that Velour Liquid Lipstick to really deepen in that cut crease. And just wing that right on out. This wouldn't be a drag look if it wasn't super dramatic, so do not be scared, you guys. And I'm using a pencil brush. You can use any pencil brush to do this. Okay, so next we're going to take the Urban Decay Electric palette, and we are going to take this color right here, which is called Freak, and we're going to place that right above that forest green color that we just placed down. I love the fact that it has like this metallic-y, frosty greenish kind of, which is so cute because it's like literally kind of like a brow bone highlight. Once we have that placed down, we are going to take this MAC. I mean, I made this quad a long time ago, so it's just like this yellow MAC shade right here in this quad. And we're just going to take a fluffy blending brush and we're just gonna place that right above that light green shade, that lime green shade actually. This is gonna be like where our brow bone would be, I guess you can say. Like it's good just to pack it on first and then blend out whatever you wanna blend out after. Because it's like a yellow shade, so it's really, really hard for yellows to be super pigmented, but this matte color is pretty good. And kind of blend those edges right next to your nose, like in the inner corner of your eye, just to have that like seamless blend. Especially like when you do your cut crease, it's gonna really look flawless. And blend that out as well, all the way up to that hairline. This has to be super exaggerated. And then just keep on going back and forth between colors to really get that flawless blend that you want, and just blend and merge those colors together. I mean, honestly, when you're doing makeup like this, it really is just back and forth between colors and blending out everything if you want it to look gorgeous. Because sometimes the girls on Drag Race, bitch, you be looking kind of scary. Even the girls on All Stars. Monique. Even though she has been picking it up lately, thank God. Hope I'm not speaking too soon. Okay, you guys, so the next thing we're gonna do is take the Morphe Cream Contour Palette, and I'm going to take this color right here in the palette, and then I'm just gonna literally warm it up in my hands. And we are going to cut our crease with this, you guys, which is the part that I am dreading. Pray for me. Okay, I gotta own this. Like I said, you gotta own this shit. Okay, let me get a reference picture. Hold on, wait. I gotta see how she did this. Because she goes up high, then she goes low into... Okay, because I gotta picture how my eyeliner is gonna be, and I gotta see where that cut crease is gonna go. You know what I'm saying? Because she literally has her eyeliner on her whole lid, and I have to catch it right where this is, but she goes really, really high up. I think I can. I know I can. I literally am not breathing. This is so crazy. And I'm just gonna take a flat, I guess you can say flat shader brush, any flat shader brush, and I'm just going to set the concealer because I feel like I got the right shape. And I'm gonna take the MAC pigment in Vanilla. Okay, so let's just do our face makeup next, and then we're gonna go in with our eyeliner and our bottom eyeshadows and lashes, and then lips, and then we'll be done. So after like 67 hours, this is what we done. Okay, so I wanted to do something that was on the lower end of things because honestly, when I started doing drag before my like transition, I didn't have a lot of money to do anything. So I'm literally just kind of going back and forth between like higher end stuff, which is like the eyeshadows or something. And then I kind of want to substitute like for my face stuff, go on the lower ends of stuff. So I'm just going to pick up the Wet n Wild foundation, the Photo Focus foundation in the shade, what is this, Classic Beige, and I'm just gonna get my stippling brush and then just put that all over my face. I forgot to do something. Literally, I forgot to wipe the bottom of my eyes from all that fallout, and I do not want to get that all in my foundation, so I'm gonna be right back, you guys. Okay, since we are literally taking it there, we're just going to dive into our concealer shade, and we are just going to take the Morphe contour palette, cream contour palette as well. Again, Let's dive into this shade right here on the palette. I want to take it there. You know what I'm saying? Let's take it there for the viewers. Let's take it there for you girls. I want to be back when I was 16 again. Whew. Yes, mama said, girl, she wants to be lit, literally. And I'm just going to put this on our highlight points of our face, because I want that to be the most brightest, because when you're on stage, you literally want to over exaggerate your highlights and contours, because those bright lights literally wash all out all your makeup. So you want something that has a really good contrast, but blend it. Blend, 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 blend. So yeah, just on our forehead, down the bridge of our nose, Cupid's bow. I like to highlight right here on the side of my mouth as well. Chin and underneath our eyes. And me personally, I like to go in with my finger and just blend everything out, because I feel like the warmth of my fingers really just makes sure everything is nicely blended and into your crevices and into literally your face and pores. Excuse me, into your face and pores. And then when you are anywhere and you can't find your makeup brush or anything, when in doubt, just use your fingers, because literally those are your best tools. Okay, now it's time to set this. And I'm just gonna take my Coty Airspun powder and a fluffy brush. And we're just gonna set that concealer and foundation. Who is your favorite queen like that does makeup? Who do you guys, if you guys watch Drag Race, or a queen in general that's in your city and you wanna give them recognition, because I know there's a lot of queens in our hometowns that that aren't on Drag Race and that do have a name for themselves in your own community, but that just aren't out there in the mainstream. Like, I want you guys to list them down below, because I would love to know about them. And yeah, I'm just, you know, interested. I want to know who you guys' inspirations, or who you guys were at all at, or anything. Whose makeup do you guys love? List them if they are famous, or if they're in the limelight, or if they're not in the limelight, if they're in your hometown, just list them down below. I would love to know, because I think girls like that should definitely get recognition. Because after all, Drag Race wasn't around forever. We all had to be our own Hollywood stars in our own hometown. Let's go on to our contour. And like I said, I wanted to keep a low price point with my face products, because I know that, you know, when I was younger and I was doing drag, I didn't have a lot of money, hardly any money at all. And I just wanted to look gorgeous and beautiful. And so I'm gonna use the, what is this? I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild contouring palette, and it really does its job, and it's good, it's cheap, and it literally makes you look sickening. So yeah. Okay, so now it's time to highlight, and we are going to take Artist Couture's Diamond Glow Powder in the shade Yes, which is so appropriate for this look. And we're just gonna take the Morphe M501 brush, which is like literally my favorite highlighting brush. And we're just gonna also go down the bridge of our nose and Cupid's bow. And of course, our cheekbones. We're going to take the Morphe blush palette, and we're going to take a Real Technique blush brush. So we're just gonna probably do maybe this one right up here. And this also just helps blending our highlight and our contour in. Okay, so now that we're pretty much done with our face, we are gonna move on to our lower lash line. We're gonna take the NYX white eyeliner. And then you guys, when you're doing this, do not be scared. You have to own it. Like I said, brush smells fear. We don't want fear. Okay, so next we're gonna take a flat shader brush, and going back into the Jeffree Star's Androgyny palette, we're gonna take Poison again, and we're just gonna go right underneath that white liner. Then I'm gonna take the Wet n Wild's black eyeliner, and we are just going to line right in between that white and that green, and also right in the inner corner of our eye. It's gonna go in with another smaller tapered brush. Any black eyeshadow, I'm just taking a Morphe Morphe eyeshadow, and I'm just going to set that eyeliner and kind of smudge out that line a little bit. And I'm going right below my lashes, my lower lashes as well, right underneath that white. Okay, so now that our eyeshadows are pretty much done, we are just going to create the signature Valentina like eyeliner, because this is what really kind of creates her look, plus her brows obviously, but this look she didn't have any brows, but her eyeliner is really, really unique to her, I guess you can say. We're just gonna take the Wet n Wild Mega Liner in black, and we are just going to put our eyeliner on. And then we're just going to get the black eyeshadow so it can really just set that eyeliner and really just make it really, really dark and matte. So now let's do our lower lashes. We have to kind of draw some of them on, and then we're gonna apply some falsies as well. So let's just take our black eyeliner again, and we are just going to draw 2 lower lash lines. And I see that there was like a jewel right in the center of her eye. So I just went to CVS and I picked up some of these Kiss nail art jewelries. So now that I put that on, I'm just going to apply some lashes, and then I'm gonna be right back with the lips, and then we're gonna be done. Okay guys, so now we're on to our last step, and we're gonna move on to our lips, and we're going to take a brown lip liner. Any brown lip liner will do. And then we're going to take Jeffree Star's Velour Liquid Lipstick in Celebrity Skin and Hunty. So Celebrity Skin is gonna go on the outside, and then Hunty is gonna go on the inside. And I'm just a glossy girl, so I like glossy lips. So I'm just going to take Kylie Cosmetics from the Kylie and Jordan collab, and this is the 23 lip gloss. And we're done. And voila, this is the finished makeup look right here. I hope you guys love this look because I am obsessed with it. It just took me out of my box, like I've said in the beginning. I don't know, I'm just obsessed with this whole look. Valentina, I hope that you take this crown. I am rooting for you. Let me know who you guys are rooting for down below, or who your favorite queen is. And yeah, so I'm going to continue to do makeup looks from the Rupauls Drag Race girls. I really do hope that you guys are going to love this whole like series that I'm gonna do on my channel. So yeah, if you guys have any suggestions or looks that you guys want me to do, definitely let me know in the comment section below. Oh yeah, you guys, if you guys haven't caught the last episode of my review and reaction of Rupauls Drag Race, I'm gonna list that in the description below as well, so you guys go check that out. And you guys don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and obviously subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already, because it would help my channel out so much. And welcome to the family, obviously. Yeah, so other than that, you guys, remember, it is your vision. It is whatever you make it, as long as you make it freaking fabulous. Until the next one, you guys. Mwah.